don't mess with this alert. This is Pennsylvania, and this part of the interstate is a sharp curve. It says 45 miles an hour. Stick to that. See, my load is low and is almost empty. I have a third of the trailer is filled. It's empty, 11,000 pound pussy weight. But you know, always stick with posting, because you know this. If you have a heavy load and you have tall load, you go here 55, you're gonna tip over, guaranteed. It's just not the road to play around. Signs are there, well posted there. So stick with rules, man. Keep everybody safe, including yourself and other drivers, right? Because remember, you are professional and they are not. Like this guy, look at he gives me signal, but he's going too aggressive in front of me. Why? Because he doesn't know, right, that I have a sensor, and you go too close to me, this baby will automatically brake, and I'm gonna end up with jackknife. So that's why you have to, you know, these commercial vehicles are not racing vehicles. You have to be patient and give time for this vehicle to move around, man. No rush. We have all time in the world. That's the trucking crowd. If you're not patient, you should not be in a truck. Period. That's my opinion. Maybe people will say this guy is nuts. He doesn't. This is not true. I tell you. If you're a nervous wreck, you should not be a driver. No. Not professional one anyway. Because it's just not for this job, you know. You have to be careful. There's a lot of issues here, right? Go from point A to B and B to A. That's all we do. I'm just crossing Ohio River, and this is in Pennsylvania. Now I don't know why they call it Ohio River in Pennsylvania. Probably because it's long, goes to different states, possible. I don't have to Google up, but let me know, anybody knows why in Pennsylvania, US state, Ohio River is called, this river is called Ohio. Alright, I'm not sure. So let me know, guys, stay tuned. Keep going, dude. This guy looked like to me like a Sunday driver, but today is Saturday, so I forgive him. But not everybody is like that. You should have a lights on, because it says lights on when it's you know. It was raining 5 minutes ago, so now I came into the dry area. Okay, now we have a police coming. That's exciting, really. Behind me. So trooper is coming here, and the limit is 55. So we gotta keep this limit. This is undercover cop. I see smart idea. They take oil from restaurants, hotels, from all cooking stuff. They bring to the depot, they remanufacture and make another oil to be used in like auto industry. Wow, amazing actually, but I like that. Environmentally. So now I'm looking for a exit, I believe 99, which is a Butler, Pennsylvania, and this place has quite a bit of history, right? Unfortunately, there was some lunatic guy who wanna assassinate Mr. D, and you know, thankfully he survived. So we will stop in a Butler. I don't need fuel. All I need from Butler is coffee. I have a DEF. I have enough fuel to come to Canada, and I'm gonna fuel in Canada because it's still cheaper than US. So here is my stop. Going to stop here in Butler, Pennsylvania. We're gonna grab coffee here. You guys, not much trucks today here. Oh, zero, only one. This is all my highway here, guys. Wow. Let's see how many trucks is on truck stop. Probably some like me, right? You know, it's a perfect to mostly I'm home Saturday, Sunday, you know, and Monday. But you know, I think it's the best way to drive truck
1,000 feet, merge onto I-79
anywhere in America or Canada is on Saturday,
Head west
Sunday.
on US 422 west.
Because all
Continue
truckers
on
are
US 422 west
off-road,
for 1 mile.
right? You see one truck here, yeah. See another one there, so we're gonna turn after this light right, straight to Pilot. Gotta grab here some spot, still some road here with this exit entry is not that big and wide, right? As you see, roads are broken too, right? And of course I gotta wait, I cannot squeeze here, so still more on the left here, so we can squeeze. Ooh, lots of wood here. Alright. Lots of forest. So everything is here. McDonald's,
Head south
Subway,
toward
and
US 422 west, then turn left. In 200 feet, turn left onto US 422 east.
I have
In
my
800 feet,
breakfast,
make
so
a
there's
U-turn.
no need for. Look at this. See, I'm lucky. I fuel it, man. Half of the fuel stations are closed up here.
In 500 feet, turn left onto US 422 east.
So since I'm not fueling, I'm just
In
gonna
600
pull
feet,
forward.
make a U-turn.
I'm
In
gonna
400 feet,
take
turn left
spot
onto US
for another
422
trucker
east.
to fuel his truck, right? So you have to be nice to each other, including. Don't you think so? It's a very good idea. Don't occupy fueling aisle if you don't have to, man. And everybody says, you are such a nice driver. So believe this, guys, I forgot to brush my teeth, man. Well, it's been 2 hours, so Why? Because I want to get out from that mountain. Now I'm flat land, I can do it now. And a lot of room, see, a lot of time here, yeah. Let's brush the teeth and keep going. I don't know, I have some bristle in my toothbrush. Yeah, let's brush the teeth and get my coffee, guys. Where's my iWatch? Oh, man. Where's my iWatch? Okay, let's look for iWatch. Maybe it's here. Should be. I charged last night, man. Yeah. Always fell off from my charger, man. I don't know how, but that's what happened. Yeah. Where I should put this brush? Just vertically like that, I think. Because we wanna run the brush. Alright, so iWatch. You need iWatch, man. If you don't, you as a truck driver need. There is sensor on this watch. If you drop it on floor or you sleep, it will send information to my company or to my family that I am in trouble. And it could not be better than that. Trust me, it's just a thing you have to have. It's not expensive, couple $100. This one I have is 14 series, so it's like $300 US, and you are safer, so everybody knows where are you every second. They don't monitor you, it's just if you fail it will alert, right? Let's do this, okay? Morning I'm going to get the river fun because I cannot do my outside project, it's too much rain, so we're gonna do fishing tomorrow. And Monday I have something to do if it's sunny day. If it's not, just relax and be ready for Tuesday work again. Yeah. So guys, I have my coffee, I have a little walk. You know, you gotta walk. This job is really a lot of sitting, so I made average one trip I made about 7,000 one way, 7,000 steps, and when I come back, or you know, around 7,000, meaning around 14,000 steps I do in one trip, which is, you know, is not bad actually, since some truckers, they don't even want to walk. All they do, they just drive and sleep. No, I'm not that style of truck driver, so I like to be moving, busy, so my day goes fast, right? So I didn't even fuel here. I don't need it because, you know, I'm gonna cross Canada in few hours and I can fuel it there. As I say before, it's much cheaper. Now I tell you guys, for the a lot of truckers, see, I used to be in beauty business, right? I used to have my own business, hair salon in London, Canada. So this is the cream I use for my beard. Do not waste money on beard cream, you know. I'm trying to grow my beard and it's getting itchy. See that? Reddish, red? Yeah. So the best way to treat this is just apply on your beard, right? Lightly here, watch. And that's gonna get rid of your redness. Why? Because your I didn't have a beard last 20 years, right? I didn't grow the beard. This first time I'm trying to grow the size of my beard, right? So, you know, as you know, guys, it's really, see, I'm applying on whole beard. So it's really, right, skin is dry, and that's why. And when hair starts growing out, it creates itch, it creates pimples. So, and I'm gonna just apply all over my beard. And this is really cheap cream, right? Nothing fancy, nothing special, but you know, it will help my redness here and pimple, right? Now I'm just gonna leave it that way. Rub it in a little bit so it gets in my skin, right? That's it. Might as well put here too. Yeah. And of course, when I go home, I will color this beard the same color as natural here. So that's gonna blend nice to my hair, yeah. See, you learning from this guy. A lot of stuff, huh, guys? Not bad at all. Now I can see I almost use this cream, so I'm gonna rub into my hands. And this cream is done. Finish. It lasts me good year, man. This big jar. Whew. Man, and I use on my hands, I use on everything. See that? Yeah. Let's close this, and this is trash basically. Thank you for service. Yeah. Some people will say thank you for a land and all kind of stuff. So how you guys like my hat? Nice, huh? Well, I'm looking for a nice American hat too, so I can add to my collection, right? So looking for something really unique. This hat is a really stitch, hand stitch. There's a store in London, Ontario, they did this for me. This hand stitch, this hat. So it's a precise stitch. I like it. I am too picky, guys, when it comes to the hats. You know, that's my passion, right? Okay, now look at this baby. Now we have apply on beard done. This is a $1 McDonald's apple pie. Look, it's still hot, man. And this is my treat for today when it comes to sweets, right? Right, look at that, baby. Beautiful. Oh man. Good one. Yummy, yummy. And coffee, man. Cannot live without this one. guys, tell me, is this such a anything better than morning coffee on earth? Man, no. Special when you make one yourself. It's friggin' good, yeah. So guys, 95% of my viewers are not subscribing to my channel. This is made for trucker, for new people mostly. But I see this channel as a fun channel for me and for some people. There's a lot of special and short videos, a lot of fun there you can see. I don't tape accidents. I don't do that because I feel bad. I cannot get accident video of somebody dying and put on my channel and just collect clicks. No, I don't know how people do this, man. This is they should ban these channels, you know. I see trucks in a ditch, I see truckers, you know, dead in a truck, you know. Myself, I can see them, right? One day, one guy burned to death in a tanker in front of my eyes, dude. I could not do nothing because emergency police came and they say just stay away from this truck, it's gonna explode and burn, and actually it did in like 3 minutes. Man, I cannot forget that scene, really. I could not help the trucker because, you know, it's just a tanker hit the wall and he could not get out. He was a jam in that cab, you know. Man, I feel so bad about that, but that's life, man. So guys out there, watch. I'm warning you guys, watch for unprofessional drivers. I'm not worried about you, I know you are good, but watch for other drivers because you don't wanna injure somebody around you because of somebody mistake on your right. So great. All right, keep it safe, watch my channel, subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. You know, there is actually a link there on my channel, a movie camera, great. Well, I'm not driving yet, so there's channel there. I have Amazon store there. One product is called carpet rug grip. So for spring and stuff, you guys all have carpets, rugs, area rugs in your home. There is a link there, you can buy this carpet. This is just for Canada market. I cannot sell this in US because it's too costly, right? Tariffs are killing US Amazon sellers, so I stick with Canada only now. Nothing wrong with US, it's just I cannot make a living there. So it's $9 and something. You get 4 grips for your carpet. There you go. Let's keep rolling and stay tuned, guys, for another